Understanding the basics matters.
Jumping into complex algorithms without mastering the fundamentals is a common mistake. Building a solid foundation in data structures and basic problem-solving techniques is essential. These skills make advanced concepts easier to grasp. Take time to clearly understand arrays, lists, stacks, and queues before moving on. Strong basics will make learning new algorithms much more manageable.
Overlooking practice and application.
Simply reading or watching videos isn't enough when learning algorithms. Avoid passive learning by actively solving problems. Practicing on coding platforms and working through real problems helps you understand how algorithms work in different scenarios. Hands-on practice helps reinforce concepts and prepares you for technical interviews or programming tasks.
Memorizing without understanding.
Attempting to memorize algorithms rather than understanding their logic is a pitfall for many beginners. Focus on why an algorithm works, not just the steps. Try explaining the process in your own words or visualizing how data moves. Deep understanding allows you to modify or adapt algorithms to new problems rather than relying on rote memory.
Ignoring time and space complexity.
Neglecting efficiency measures like time and space complexity can lead to poor performance. It's important to analyze how an algorithm scales as data grows. Learning to estimate and compare complexities helps you choose the most suitable solution for a problem. Always ask, will this approach work efficiently for larger inputs?
Giving up too soon.
Frustration and impatience can make learners give up before mastering algorithms. Progress requires time and repeated effort. It's normal to struggle initially. Break problems into small parts, seek explanations, and revisit challenging topics. Persistence is key. Every programmer faces setbacks, but consistent practice leads to improvement.